Alright, hey everyone. So I wanted to talk about something that's irritating me and it's triggering me, but I feel like I know who it is at the same time. So if you go on MSP and search up my user, there's all these. Okay's a hater. Okay's bullied me. I literally don't bully anyone on here. Okay's hates all. Okay's hates LGBTQ. Listen, I don't hate LGBTQ. How did I hurt you? How am I mean? How am I a cheater? How am I a B-word? How did I even scan anyone's drip? How did I ever scam anyone? You can check my guest book, scam free. I never on my MSP life scammed anyone. I'm really mad at this because whoever's doing this, just stop. Literally, it's irritating me. Just please stop. When have I ever scammed anyone? When have I ever been mean to anyone? I'm not trying to be rude in any way. At all. But, in my opinion, I think it's Rain. I think it's either Carson, Katt, or Kathia. I'm not accusing them. I just think it's one of them. I swear, I just think. I'm not accusing them at all. I think it's one of them. So, the other day I told Rain that, if she was making those accounts. So, she said, wow, you seriously just tell me? Only me? So I said, did you make all these Okay's haters and Okay scams accounts? She said, wow, you asked me, why don't you ask your other friends, huh? And I said, no, I was just wondering. And I did ask them. But I don't know, I'm not trying to blame anyone. I just really think it's someone that I know really well. And it's irritating me because if this keeps happening, I don't even know if I want to play MSP anymore. It's just really triggering because I never scammed anyone at all. I don't even know what to do anymore. So, I guess that's it for a while, because I really want to find out who's making these accounts. And just please stop, whoever you are. Just stop, please. When have I ever did anything to you? Just please stop.